Yeah. You gotta cut a good light though. You gotta cut a good light.
Hey, you want water? You want water? All right, come on.
Got this CL1, they gluing him down now. Look out. Shout out Mac Daddy one time. Proline hand cleaner. AK Electric. Left lane, look. Left lane. Playing. Left lane, he got that thing down packed. I'm talking about it's pegged out. Like they made that thing just for 1/8 of a mile.
He didn't want to.
He didn't want to? He don't want that smoke.
Let's see what else back here. Look out, look out.
Yeah.
Look out, look out. Okay. Oh, more cook.
Remember with the horns on top of him?
Okay. I guess he gonna do something. Yeah.
Look out.
Yeah. From the best you can bust steady. It's finally cooling down out here.
Arrow, treat this motherfucker. Are you ready?
Ride with him, yeah. Tommy Walker said he got scammed last week for $100. Savage ass Mike. Well, I can't wait to get over there and get me some tacos and corn. What time is it? Oh yeah. Ooh, I'm ready, boy. I'm ready. I ain't gonna lie. I'll probably after 2 more races, I'm gonna go on over there and eat some tacos. What the hell going on?